Welcome to the first episode of Will It Split? I'm Jared. So what is the purpose of today's video? Well, if you've ever operated a log splitter, you've probably wondered to yourself, secretly, in that dark place in your brain that we don't talk about in polite company, what else could I split with this? Before we go any further down this dark path together, let's talk for a minute about safety. A hydraulic log splitter like this is capable of generating an enormous amount of force, and it could severely injure someone. So do not try this at home. And it should only be operated by an adult and used for its intended purpose, which is to split logs. And also, there's a chance that you could damage the machine, which would not be covered by any manufacturer's warranty that I'm aware of. But with that being said, in the interest of science, let's find out just what will this thing split. I love watermelon. There's nothing quite as refreshing on a hot summer day as a slice of cool, juicy watermelon. And to cut up my watermelons, this is usually my go-to implement. But today I'm feeling lazy, so we're going to harness the power of our 3000 psi, 22 gallon per minute pump and the 5-inch ID cylinder on this 700 series log splitter to help us find out, will it split? So yes, a watermelon will split. But what if it was frozen? Now, I'm not talking freezer in your kitchen frozen, that's about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, if you're up in Grand Forks or the UP, that's shorts and t-shirt weather. I'm talking minus 109 degrees Fahrenheit frozen. For this, I'm going to need a different pair of gloves, because a couple days ago we packed a watermelon in dry ice. So let's see just how frozen solid this thing is. Yeah, that's cold. As long as we're on the fruit theme, let's try a cantaloupe. So yes, a cantaloupe will split. Moving on to something a little smaller, how about an apple? This is a Fuji, my favorite variety of my favorite snack. Well, that was cool. We answered a question that has mystified scholars for centuries. What happens when you supercool a watermelon to minus 109 degrees Fahrenheit and then try to split it with a log splitter? We also split some other fruits and showed that, yep, a lot of fruit can be split with a log splitter. In a pinch, you can make a pretty good emergency fruit salad with your log splitter. Probably don't want to tell your spouse how you did it though. So we had a lot of fun making this video, and if you let us know in the comments, we'd be happy to make more episodes. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and visit us at RuggedMade.com. Thanks for watching.